College Manvi is a cradle of educational enterprise which aims at creating men and women of creativity, competence, conscience, compassion and commitment. At the threshold of the motto of our institution, reaching the unreached, we constantly strive to bring out the best in our students with human qualities and prepare them for a future that is limitless. We offer the 2-year pre-university course under the regulations of the Board of PU Examination in Karnataka in science, commerce and arts disciplines. In addition to English language, we offer optional choice of second language like Kannada and Hindi.
The college provides excellent infrastructural facilities with well-equipped, spacious and well-ventilated classrooms that are replete with some of the best audiovisual facilities. Also, well-furnished hostels, modern computer labs, library, hygienic canteen facility, round-the-clock CCTV surveillance and whatnot. Existence of separate labs for biology, chemistry and physics. In fact, complement the theory classes. The ultra-modern laboratory facilities made for a splendid practical learning experience for students. Indeed, reinforce the steady ambience of the campus.
The vast sporting arena, consisting of modern sports equipment, 21 acres of ground, frequent sports events, etc., accentuates our resolute focus on promoting sports activities for our students. 3 professional trainers give the students an impetus to bring out their talents and choose a sports career according to their aptitudes. Every academic year is packed with a plethora of cultural activities offering a wide range of cultural experience that may have a positive impact on students' learning and allow them to foster open-mindedness, curiosity, critical judgment, and aesthetic appreciation, emphasizing the overall growth and personal development of students by providing them ample scope to enhance their interaction with their mentors.
The college is a storehouse of ample opportunities for every student and is also a platform for deserving students to get benefited from central and state government scholarships, while fee concessions and some special scholarship for the meritorious students are a matter of priority for the management. The institution believes in striking a perfect balance between extracurricular activities and academics in order to achieve a holistic development of individuals. With a number of different associations and clubs, fueled by the creativity of students, form a huge hub of activity on the campus. Some of them are NCC, NSS, Majis, Drama Club, Dance Club, Music Club, Movie Club, Rangers and Rovers, Quiz Committee, etc.
Academic excellence is the prime goal of Loyola PU College. This is shown in the results that our students achieve every year. In the year 2019-20, our overall pass percentage is 96%. Many reach the heights that nobody else in the locality could reach. Ravi Kiran from Commerce Stream has been crowned the Manvi Taluka topper with 571 marks, while Sandhya 561, B. Sunita 555 and Banuraj 527. In the science stream, Ashwini Singh has topped with 555 marks and has gained 100 upon 100 in math, while Sharana Basava, D. Spandana and Sneha K. attained 540, 528 and 527 marks respectively. Shilpa is the arts topper with 514 marks. Renukamma and T. Saraswati from arts stream scored 498 and 496 marks respectively. In addition, we have altogether 14 distinction and 87 first class in science, commerce and arts disciplines.
I have truly enjoyed my journey in Loyola. We are always encouraged to excel in our academics. We are given the top class facilities and benefits.
Here, the college is student-oriented, student-centered. It has has been a platform for me to explore my potential.
The college has given me everything. The scope was not only about academics, but also my development was into cultural and sports. To mention, I am a very good orator.
This college has given me remarkable things. Now I am more confident and more socialized. And all my motivation redirected me towards the events happening in the society.
So, I recommend Loyola PU College.
You too can join Loyola.
Completed class 10, looking for a college, I recommend Loyola College Manvi. Have a good career. Thank you.
Every year, new milestone is added to the learning legacy of Loyola.
At the heart of the nation is our youth. Our youth is our future. And we truly believe that stronger the foundation, the more robust the future. So Loyola invites you to discover yourself and to carve out a better future for yourself.